How you doing? So yeah, guys, this is where I come up to yesterday. And yeah, somebody recommended, like some of the local guys, they recommended this place right here, Nicky's, for some grub. You know, but I came in here and they're like, oh, it'll be like, you know, 20-25 minutes before you can put any food together for you, like chicken wings and stuff. So there goes. There's a little one-way system in here, and there's all sorts of funky little shops here, and bars and tattoo shops and all that. And then yeah, you go out this way, you got the ocean and the beach. See, there's already a little tourism going around here. People are getting up, and see some beautiful paintings here on the wall. All right, and see where we could go from here. Wow, so all right, guys, so yeah, this is like the little oceanside area. Hey, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Don't work too hard.
I'm
Yeah, the guy's up fixing like a light. So yeah, guys, I'm sure there's some really nice. Yeah, see, there's a Fanny's Island. There's a lot of breakfast places here, as far as I noticed. So yeah, we're gonna go back down to the end here. It didn't say about so I'm trying to see if I can take the bicycle in one of these boardwalks in here, so we could just see the the ocean here. Let's try it back here where there's like not really too many folks here, and the cops are over there. So all right, so this is the 18th Street beach here, guys. So wow, guys, there it is, man. People are already at the beach. So I think, guys, yeah, why not take a walk on a beach, guys, while we're here, you know, when in Rome. We'll get a little sand in our thingies right here, but you know what? It'll be well worth it, I guess. Wow. So yeah, guys, this could be an area where it's beach life all year around. How you guys doing? Don't be alarmed. I'm just here to check the plumbing. Right. So yeah. So you guys got like your tidal waves here and stuff. Oh yeah, there's somebody just walking in there. Okay guys, I'm gonna actually go in and feel how cold it is. How you doing, man?
Great, you?
Good. Don't mind me, I'm just here to check the plumbing. No, I'm just riding across the south from Jacksonville all the way up to south Charleston, South Carolina.
Yeah?
Do about 400 miles on a bicycle. So this is my day 5 stop, day 6. And yeah, I got a little ways more to go. So I figured, you know what, why not? I'm here. Yeah, might as well see the beach, feel the water at least.
It's cold.
Yeah. Oh, is it?
Oh, I'll tell you.
My cousin lives in Charleston, and he says we're originally from Chicago, and he says that the ocean actually, at some point of the year, or I think throughout the year, towards the end of the summer, will be actually warmer than Lake Michigan up where we are, because
this will get up to 75.
yeah,
It's gonna get wet.
even when it's like end of August in Chicago, and you know, it's had that whole summer to cook, our water only gets to like 63, 65, you know.
Mid 70s.
Wow, yeah.
It's mid 60s right now.
Mid 60s, lovely.
63, I think.
See, in November we do like the plunge, you know, so we actually go in.
From Maine.
Oh, right. Okay. Highland Park, Illinois, just like about 20 miles north of Chicago. Highland Park Beach is a real famous beach for plunging it, and when the water's about 37 in November, a lot of people do the weekly things, you know, there's clubs and all that stuff, but in the middle of the winter they do the plunge.
They have a New Year's Day plunge up there.
Alrighty.
Yeah.
Let me test.
In the ocean though.
In the ocean. Let me test it out. Ooh, yeah. All right, guys. Yeah, so certainly nobody's swimming.